Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brad. This is the Firefighter's Financial Toolbox. The other day I made a video on two of Vanguard's dividend ETFs that I thought were good options for new investors to choose for getting into dividend investing without having to study stocks and do all the homework involved with picking individual dividend stocks. And at the end I asked for comments about either shows that people would like to see or questions that they had, and one of my frequent commenters, Robert, actually asked me if I could do one about dividend ETFs that Charles Schwab has. And honestly, I had never looked into Charles Schwab for dividend ETFs. So Robert, thank you for your comment. This is for you. Today we're going to talk about the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. That's ticker symbol SCHD. Now this fund has been around since October of 2011, so it's got a pretty good track record in time. Has about $9.6 billion in assets, and as you guys know, fees for me are a big deal. So this one has a nice low fee of 0.06%, or an ER of just 6 basis points. So the same cost as the two Vanguard funds, you guys. You're paying $6 for $10,000 per year. That's low. Now this fund has a total of 98 different companies or securities in it, and it pays a quarterly dividend. It follows the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index, and it has about a 11.5% portfolio turnover per year. As you can see, it falls into the Morningstar style box of large value, because most of your dividend companies are value stock companies, you guys. So let's take a look at the track record of this fund. Now, I preface this with the fact that past performance is not indicative of future returns, you guys. And also that in the last 10 years, we know growth funds have kicked the pants out of value funds. So know that going in. But dividend investing is investing in primarily value companies. So if we look at the 1 year, we see that we're down 10.88%, but you guys, everybody is down. For 3 years, it's got a positive return of about 3.43%, and 5 years, we're looking at about 5.86%, so a little bit less than what the market has been getting as a whole. Now, if we look at it since inception, it's actually 10.43%, you guys, so that's pretty darn good for a fund that's been around for about 9 years. Taking a look at the top 10 holdings. Now, these top 10 holdings actually make up about 45% of the fund. The top companies are Home Depot, ExxonMobil, Intel, Bristol-Myers Squibb, Pfizer, PepsiCo, Verizon, Coca-Cola, IBM, and Procter & Gamble. And if we look at the sector weightings, we see that the biggest section is consumer staples, followed second by information technology, and then industrials, and bringing up the top 4 is healthcare at about 12.9%. Is this a good option for people? Yes, I think if you are already investing with Charles Schwab, it's nice to be able to stay within your company and use their products. And because this has such a low fee, you guys, of just 6 basis points, I think it's a really good option for people. They want to get into dividend investing, but they don't want the hassle of having to go through and pick stocks. Picking stocks is hard, you guys. Now, full disclosure, I use ETFs and I have about 25 dividend stocks, but I did my research for them. So you have a choice. Do you want to go the easy route, or do you want to spend some more time? If you geek out on this stuff like I do, maybe you want to spend the time and really do your deep dive and find those stocks. But if you're not interested in that, you're just more interested in getting your money invested and getting those dividends, I think that this is a good option. Low cost and simple to use. So once again, thank you to Robert for asking me to make this video. You guys, if you have another video you want to see, or if you have another company or a particular fund that you'd like me to do a little investigation on, just let me know. Put it in the comments. In honor of Robert's comment, if you drop a like for me to let him know we appreciate his comment and we appreciate what's going on. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, you guys, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell. You get notified every time I make a video. I try to make at least one a week. All right, we'll see you next time.